Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can increase PDF font size for printed. For this you need to open the Adobe Acrobat Reader and then click on the menu and click on the open. And then select the file from your computer. And then you need to press the Ctrl P to open the print dialog box. So under the page sizing and handling, you need to select the custom scale. You can increase the percentage to, for example, 120% and click here. And here you can see that it's depending on how much larger you need the tags. And if you increase to 150% and click on the preview, and here you can see that the print has been cutting off the margins. So you need to click on 115 for the better preview. And if you want to go back to the fit, you just need to click on this radio button to fit. And if you need to go back to the actual size, you need to click on the actual size. And this is the custom scale. So then you need to click on the print and you will be able to get the increased PDF font size for printing. In the second method, if increasing the scale cut off content split the document across multiple printed pages, then you need to go to the print dialog box again and select the poster this time. And now adjust the tile scale. Here is the tile scale. You can increase to 129%. Click over the print preview. You can see that it has been cut off. You need to click on the tile only large pages and here it has been adjusted. And make sure you need to adjust the overlap 0.005 to make sure words on the page boundaries are not properly clipped. And then you need to click on the print to output the document scanned across multiple pages. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can increase the PDF font size for printing. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.